This whole operation was your idea.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we've got a real special treat. This is an Anakin Skywalker 3 by KR Sabers. This is the new released, revised Anakin Skywalker lightsaber. It is amazing. I mean, the activation box is your power and auxiliary. It uses a 7/8 blade, and it's completely made out of brass and just feels amazing. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on.
All right, so this is the AS3 by KR Sabers. You can order these at thesaberarmory.com. He has them available with a Eco chassis, which just economy, it just holds exactly what you need it to hold, which is the stock ECO NPXL, 2 tactile switches, kill switch, battery, which is an 18650, 28mm bass speaker, and then your soundboard, the soundboard of your choice. These are Proffi V2s. And then the Eco CC, which CC stands for crystal chamber. You have the accent crystals, which come with 2 additional NeoPixel accents. Your, again, stock NPXL Eco, kill switch, tactile PCB, switch set, 18650, Proffieboard, 28mm bass speaker. So these come with everything. The kit comes unassembled, and should you need assembly, I would be happy to do so for you. But the saber itself is absolutely gorgeous. It is also a fingerprint magnet. You can see I've probably done this video. This might not be the first take, hint, hint. But the saber is gorgeous. It's beautifully thought out. It's unbelievably finished. The venting is so slick. I mean, you don't notice it. It's part of the design. The activation box is spring-loaded, and you are not going to get a better tactile sensation. The copper switch right here is actually the thumb screw for the blade retention. So there is your blade plug, and that just goes right in. Tighten this up. Very easy. Simple. And then it opens in the middle, so you get easy access to everything. Ooh, sorry, truck's going by. And then I have this set up so that you...
My powers have doubled since the last time we met, Count.
Flip the switch to the right in order to turn it on, and then in order to put this in, there's a flat on the chassis right here, and that lines up first with the activation box for those switches, and then you push it all the way in and twist to the left. Done. Pommel back on, and you're ready to rock and roll. So these align beautifully. I mean, you could see the box just lines up exactly on the opposite side from the cover tech, and everything looks as it does in the movies. And sounds like it does in the movies. And then to turn it off, just exact same process. Done. The Eco CC has the benefit of you get to...
But you owe me one, and not for saving your skin for the 10th time.
See the activation of these crystals, and which is really cool. So they do all the same things as the blade. And they'll react to clashes and blasters and stuff. You can play music on this by holding the power for 1 second and releasing. Do the same thing to stop it. I don't want to provoke the wrath of YouTube, so I'll stop it there. But you get the idea. The sabers just have infinite possibilities of what they can do, and it's just so cool to be able to witness all these great sabers from Cal. KR Sabers is just doing an amazing job. The community in general is doing an amazing job, but I mean, I'm a huge KR fanboy, and the craftsmanship on these is just impeccable. So, really, really great. Why don't we wrap this video up?
Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos of awesome sabers just like these. This saber has been an absolute pleasure to work on, and I'd like to say also that this will be available on my shop right now. So if you want to get your hands on one of these as fast as possible, don't hesitate, because this one's available right now. If you need a saber installed, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com, and I'd be happy to answer any inquiries that you have and happy to help get what you want on my bench. So until the next time, may the force be with you.
Well, you owe me one, and not for saving your skin for the 10th time.